how to switch Audible membership plans. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this Audible tutorial, I will teach you how you can switch Audible membership plans. So one thing you must note is that on Audible, there are only two plans, the free version as well as the paid version. So if you're trying to switch, by either switching from the free version to the paid version or from the paid version back to the free version. So if you want to switch from the free version to the paid version, it's not difficult. Once you're logged in into your Audible account, move to the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, click on it. If you are currently on the free version, by clicking on your profile icon, you'll be taken to your profile page here where you can see your profile picture. And then the next thing you will see would be the option try premium plus for 0.0 euros. Yeah, that is what you would see displayed. And the reason why I'm displaying this is because I already purchased the premium plan. All right, so by clicking on that icon which says try for 0.0 euros, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to add your payment method. Go ahead, add it, make your payment, and you'll be able to switch your account from the free version to the paid version. Now, if you're trying to switch your account from the paid version to the free version, all you need to do is to click on the view account option that you can see next to Audible Premium Plus on your profile. And so once you're on the Audible Premium Plus page, you can see your account, my wish list, listen history, my pre-orders, manage membership. So click on manage membership, and then you'll be taken to the page, to the manage membership page. So on this page, you can see the option cancel membership. So by canceling your membership, you would automatically return to the free membership. So click on cancel membership, and then you wait for the page to load. And then once that's loaded, you can see your membership, you can see all of that. And then if you cannot see an option for you to cancel your membership here, go to your Play Store or your App Store or whichever store where you got the application from. That is what I'm about to do now. And so once you've located the store, click on it and open up the store. And then once the store is opened and you're taken to your own page, move to the top right corner, click on your profile icon, and then in the drop down menu that appears, select payments and subscriptions. And so you'll be brought to the payments and subscriptions page. On this page, select subscriptions and then click on Audible. And once you're on the manage subscription page, move to the bottom part of the screen, click on cancel subscriptions. And once your subscription has been cancelled, your membership will be cancelled, and then you will switch from the paid version to the free version. So this is the major way whereby you can switch membership plans on Audible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.